Good morning, Stephanie Camerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper, July 8th, 2019. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Last week was a short week, but even for 3.5 days, we had 134 targets hit, 67% gains. Let's see if we could beat that this week. All right, so let's start with the SPY. Today, watching that 298 level. Yeah, if we can break above that, right, there's room to go to the upside. Going to be bearish below 296.80 for a retracement trade down to that 8. And then if we don't hold that 8, 295 is a really key level. We really have no dark pool levels up here, so we'll just take it level to level. The E-minis, let me just punch those guys up. We're going to be bullish above 29.90. It's pretty tight this morning, right? You can see it's trading in between the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average. That's like the worst place ever to try to trade this. There's going to be computers selling at the 4 and buying at the 8. It really needs to break above. That's why I picked 29.90. And bearish below 29.80. Room to go there. But if it just keeps boomeranging, don't trade it. Let's go to the Russell. IWM. We're going to be bullish above 156.80. And we're going to be bearish below 156 for a retracement trade. The QQQs, we're going to be bullish above 190.75. And I would like to clear these guys. See these? 200 simple and exponential moving average. In the short term, that is resistance. But if we break above that, that will be bullish. Bearish below 189.75 for a retracement trade down to the 8. Let's go to the oil futures. All right, I'm going to be bullish above this 58 level. See this high volume that came in here? Yeah, that's why I'm going to be bullish only above that. They were selling there. They brought it down to the pivot. And it really needs to break above that for me to get bullish on oil. Going to be bearish below 57.20. If it breaks down below this pivot, look out below. Next is going to be the gold futures. Let me just pop those up over here. Okay, we are up this morning. Yeah, up 5, but we're going to be bullish above 14.12.50. Really above this 8 EMA. There's a lot of room to go to the upside if we can break above that. Going to be bearish below 1400 if we do come down there. So those are your two trades, right? Here and just below there. Okay, let's go to the stocks. Apple, I know they got a downgrade, but let's just trade off the levels here. We're going to be bullish above 202.50. Really key level, and that's going to be above this 4 EMA. So that's why I like it above there. And I'm going to be bearish below 275. All right, that's a really key level. If we do start to head down there, we have a buyer at 201 on the ARCA book. Let's see if he left. Yeah, he's still there. 5,700. I think he had bigger size earlier. But still, he's there at 201. So that's why I picked 275. Let me just see if there's anybody new showing up. Nope. All right, those are key levels. Micron had volume this morning. See 40,000, and it's pretty tight. You can see on this daily chart, Micron, right? So that's why I'm going to be bullish above 39.50. And there was a big seller there on the ARCA book. Let's see if he's still there. Yep, he is. See him? All right. So that's why I'm going to be bullish above. And I'm going to be bearish below 38.87 for Micron. Let's see. And that, you know what? The first trade, by the way, is really going to be a retracement trade. It's pretty tight. Down to this 8. Just let you know that, right? So right down there. So there's a bullish trade above 39.50 and then a retracement trade. Now, if it can't hold the 8, second test, it bounces and then goes through 38.50. Look out below. We do have a gap here. Okay. In fact, I do want to put that here. And then we're going to put 39, I'm sorry, 38. We'll put 38, 37.50, 37, and 36. All right, that's like down to the gap trade. Let's go to UCO. It's always good to be prepared. I don't know if it'll happen today, tomorrow, or ever, but it's always good to be prepared. UCO is the Ultra Bloomberg crude oil. It moves really, really fast. Please be careful. I had a lot of volume this morning, so that's why I put it on here, but it's not something you hold on to. It's a day trade. So UCO, bullish above 1920 and bearish below 1870. I personally like to trade USO, but there really wasn't any volume. Up, it's kicking in now. So USO will be bullish above 12 and bearish below 1180. And I'm just going to put that there. Hold on. I'm just going to add this. It didn't have volume before. Bullish above 12, target 12, 12, 12, 20, 12, 30. It's a little bit slower move, but it's something that I swing instead. 1180 and 1160 would be my target. Okay, kind of throw that in there. Let me just unbold that. Okay, let's do DB. Oh, I know, a lot of news are laying off a lot of workers. It's not good. We're going to be bearish only above, bullish, sorry, above 812. I just like to be prepared on both sides, even if we don't ever think we're going to take that trade. Bearish below 775. We just went below that. So, yep, we are in bear mode down to 750. FXI, China's had big prints. We are below those big prints. Yeah, we're kind of in a weird spot here, though. It could retrace back up to the 4 and the 8 before moving down again. So I have bullish above 42.40. Okay, for this retracement trade, just to the 8. And I'm going to be bearish below 42. There could be a trade down to 42. There's a lot of moving averages there, so I expect a bounce the first time. And then the second test is when the big move would happen. Down to 41.12 possibly. Right here's a gap. So we'll see. GDX. Let's go to that one. Yep, we are breaking out of this triangle. Yeah, this flag, pennant, whatever you want to call it. We are above 25.42 prints. So bullish above 25.62. It's the next level above us. And I'm going to be bearish below 25.15 if we do start to move down. Again, always good to be prepared. VWO had big prints last week. So still have my eye on this one. Bullish only above 43.20. Bearish below 42.50 today. Okay, if we break below here, look out below. LSCC is another one from last week. Did not move yet. Still watching this. Bullish above 15.20. Bearish below 14.50. STM is another one for last week that hasn't moved yet. Bullish only above those prints, 18.37. Bearish below 17.50. This is really the key level for you to watch today. All right, that's 17.50. It was big prints. AAL, we're stuck in between two big, massive prints, 32.70 and 31.70. It's driving us crazy. Which way is it going to go? Is it going to break above 33? I'm bullish, uber bullish above 33, and I'm uber bearish below 31.70. Okay, that was that other big print we had. So keep your eye on that one still. And CVS, of course, still watching CVS. We had that big 2.2 million print. We hit our 56 target. Let's see if we test that again. If we break above 56, there's still this trade to the upside to 57. Going to be bearish below 54.50 if we do go down there. This could be the splash, so we'll see. And FCX, can't forget about this guy. Yep, we had that big print at 11.34. Still bullish above 11.50. and bearish below 11 today. So there you have it. Oh, wait, one more. XLF. Yeah, so we have bank earnings next week. We could get a big move. I know Bank of America just got downgraded, I think, by Morgan Stanley. Yeah, Morgan Stanley. That doesn't really mean anything, but the prints do. So XLF had some massive prints. So I will be bullish above 28.20, bearish below 27.80. Not sure if it's going to move today or later on in the week. We could get a pre-earnings momentum move, so watch those banks until tomorrow. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.